Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best virtual credit cards for international payments. I'm going to be mainly walking you through the top virtual card services that allow you to easily make payments and purchases online, even internationally. Having access to a virtual card has become hugely popular in recent years. Essentially, it acts as an online bank account with a virtual card number, allowing you to make payments, transfers, and online purchases while keeping all of your real card details protected and secure. So I'm going to be sharing with you the best virtual card platforms out there right now, their key features and perks and how they work, everything else that you need to know to take full advantage of these digital payment tools. But first things first, why even use a virtual card service to begin with? You might be wondering, what are the main benefits of having a digital card option rather than relying only on the physical cards in your wallet? Some of the key advantages include enhanced security. Your actual card details are never directly shared with merchants, and this protects you in case an online retailer gets hacked or experiences a data breach. You have easy and seamless online payments, as virtual cards make buying online incredibly smooth and convenient, especially internationally. You just have to enter your digital card details at checkout. Another important thing is that you avoid foreign transaction fees, as many virtual card providers have no foreign transaction or currency conversion fees, saving you money on international purchases. Additionally, some virtual cards are one-time use only for extra security when shopping at new or questionable websites. So hopefully you can now see why having access to a virtual payment option can provide tremendous utility, convenience, organization, and security. And now let's get into the top virtual card platforms available worldwide. The first virtual card service I recommend checking out is called Slice. Slice provides a completely free virtual card primarily through their mobile application. The app is available worldwide for both iOS and Android devices. Signing up for Slice is very quick and easy. Just download the Slice app for your phone and enter some basic personal details to create your account. And within minutes, you will have access to your new virtual Slice card details and can start making purchases online. In the Slice application itself, you also get spending insights and visualization tools, bill splitting capabilities, and the ability to instantly freeze or unfreeze your virtual card at any time. One of the handiest features is called AstroPay, which generates a unique disposable virtual card number for every single online merchant that you use. This ensures that your real card number stays protected. I found the Slice app makes online shopping, sending money internationally, tracking various expenses super smooth and intuitive. This is one of the simplest and most convenient virtual card solutions out there in my opinion. Next up on the list we have EcoPayz, which has been around for over 20 years and has a stellar reputation. Just like Slice, EcoPayz offers a completely free virtual card that you can access on iOS, Android, and even through their desktop website. When you sign up for an EcoPayz account, you can immediately generate a virtual EcoPayz card to use right away. One cool perk is that they also issue an EcoPayz MasterCard if you prefer having a physical card option as well, and this card also links directly to your main virtual account. Within your EcoPayz account, you can hold funds in dozens of different currencies, receive payments from customers or clients in tons of countries, and even make ATM withdrawals globally using your virtual card information. Their exchange rates and fees are super competitive as well. For maximum security, you can generate disposable virtual prepaid cards that expire after a single use. Managing and utilizing your virtual EcoPayz card is quick and easy, both in their mobile application and on the EcoPayz website. Next, we have PayPal. This one is super convenient because chances are pretty high that you already have a PayPal account. But you may not know that PayPal actually offers virtual card capabilities as well, and it only takes a few seconds to enable this feature. Simply log into your PayPal mobile application, click on the settings icon, and then under card you can apply for a completely free virtual Visa credit card linked to your account, and this will provide you with a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV just like a real physical card. You can use this PayPal virtual card information to make purchases absolutely anywhere PayPal is accepted. When you go to pay, just select PayPal at checkout and then choose your virtual card. PayPal will automatically deduct funds from your PayPal balance. And having a PayPal virtual card is tremendously convenient for online shopping, especially at international merchants. You don't have to worry about the conversion fees or foreign transaction fees, and PayPal Purchase Protection provides the added security. So if you already use PayPal regularly, take advantage of their built-in virtual card capabilities as well. Another excellent virtual card platform is AstroPay. This is especially for anyone who makes a lot of international online purchases. It's available as an app for iOS, Android, and as a desktop site. When you sign up for an AstroPay account, you can immediately generate a virtual Visa or MasterCard to start spending with right off the bat. You don't need to wait for a physical card to arrive. AstroPay has partnerships with many online merchants and digital service platforms across dozens of countries, so your virtual AstroPay card will be widely accepted at a ton of retailers worldwide. The AstroPay app also makes it very simple to send money abroad. And similar to EcoPayz, you have the option to apply for a physical AstroPay card if you prefer. This physical card links to your virtual account profile. It gets you ATM access as well. So if you frequently buy from international e-commerce sites or do business globally, AstroPay is a top choice for getting a multi-currency virtual card completely free. So those would be my top picks for the best virtual card solutions at the moment. Virtual payment option can really simplify and streamline the online shopping, organize business expenses, and help you save money on foreign transaction fees. All of the services that I covered make it fast, free, and easy to get started with a virtual card right from your phone or even computer. So I highly encourage you to give one of these excellent virtual card providers a try if you do a lot of online spending and want a more flexible and secure payment tool other than the old school physical cards. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions about this topic. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.